Alright, what's up guys? So last video I did the handle editing modification, whatever you want to call it. And I was talking about what kind of finish I want on this handle. You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and do a light burn to it. We'll see how these turn out, but I did want to do some more carving, and I think I really like the contrast that it gives it here. And so, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think we're gonna burn this, and then when I go to carve in some other stuff next time, it'll look like that, which I really liked. It turned out good. So anyway, yeah. Right now I'm just using what I had around the house, just a Mat Pro and this deal. Nothing special. Get them at the store for pretty cheap. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's going to be a quick video, nice and simple. I've done a lot of wood burning stuff in the past. Actually, a lot of it is kind of right here. Different finishes to wood. But yeah. You know what? I was right. So this thing does have a wax finish on there. So I'm actually gonna sand some of it down so it doesn't get a weird coloration to it. I'm not really sure if it's all off there, but we'll find out, right? Trial and error. Hot. All right. Stinky stuff. That actually turned out pretty good. I didn't go as dark as that one, and I could tell there was still some wax on there, and so I think that's why the colors are so drastically different. But I actually think it turned out pretty good. It's kind of like a weathered grayish kind of a burn to it. It kind of looks cool. I think I'm going to keep it like this. Tell me what you guys think, but yeah, I like that. That turned out good. Feels nice. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.